Vipin. Today we will learn about liability. The plural form is liabilities. Nancy, no idea. I never heard this word. Vipin. Liabilities are debt on the business, which means when the business owes money to outsiders, for example, a loan borrowed from the bank, the purchase of machinery on credit, or the purchase of goods on credit. This means the payment has not yet been made. There is a significant term for creditors. Nancy, okay. Vipin. Creditors may be any person, company, firm, etc., to whom our business owes. Payment has not yet been made for goods purchased from Alina. In the books of Vipin, Kamlesh is a creditor, and Nancy is a debtor. Note: Kamlesh and Nancy's books are not prepared, only Vipin's books are prepared. Fill in the blanks.